Hello everyone. In my previous projects on temperature monitoring and giving alerts, we have seen notification when temperature crosses the threshold value via SMS, email and Android app push notification. These notifications are get to only a single person. What is the use of this system? Because the single person, if he is not available at the time to take the necessary actions, the notification system is of no use. Means we want the notification to number of people or group of people at the same time, so that somebody can take the necessary action. So this can be done using the social media of things. We can have groups so that the system sends the alert notification to the group. So for this project I am using a Telegram group wherein we will get a alert notification on that group. I have also added my one of friend who is apart from me, and he will be getting the notification and he will be demonstrating the notification. Hardware connection. This is the LM35 temperature sensor and my module is connected to the internet, and this is my virtual private server. Not virtual private server, actually this time I am doing this on my own server. And let's put this temperature sensor near the exhaust fan of the laptop so that it will increase the temperature. And now let's run the command on my own private server. So I'm running this Python command. It's asking me for the password. So our system is started. It's telling that the current temperature sensor value is 33 degrees Celsius. I have set it for 40 degrees Celsius. When it will reach or cross 40 degrees Celsius, we will get the temperature alert on Telegram. To increase this, let's do one thing. Let's increase the load of the machine by starting multiple websites. I'm starting at time. I'm doing this to increase the load on the machine so that it will get and increase the temperature. I think it has increased the temperature. Let's see. So it's 33 degree. Let's wait. We are waiting for the temperature to get increased. Yes, the temperature has crossed the threshold value and we have got the Telegram message. So this time the Telegram message will be shown by my friend. So I'm stopping the system now by pressing Ctrl C, and let's have the message section now.
Hello everyone, we got a temperature alert from our system. Let's check that. So we got the temperature alert from our system. As you can see, this is temperature alert. In this alert, temperature sensor value has exceeded 40 degrees Celsius. The current temperature is 41.79 degrees Celsius near our system. So the cloud sent us that message. Let's check another. So this is in this way we will get our alert on our mobile phones through this temperature alert, that system which we have created.
So yeah, we have seen that my friend is demonstrating the project and he is nearly 100 kilometers apart from our system. So he has got the notification on two things. One was the temperature alert group, in which only the owner and the automatic system can send the message, Another was a discussion group so that the people can discuss the things, and we can add number of people in these groups. So this project I was running on my own server, means I am having that server on my laptop itself. If we want to run this system 24/7 and for a long period of time, then we have to host this server on a third party website. As I have already discussed in my previous video, that we have to use some third party web services, or else we can run this code on a Raspberry Pi module also, but better way is to run and host a server to a third party service.